Hi YouTube, this is Thomas49100 with what is it? My 6th Lego gumball machine. Sorry. Okay, so it actually takes quarters. It's the coin slot. It's the inserted coin thing. This is where you get your gumball. And this time I actually have a real gumball. So yeah, you'll see that. So when you put the quarter in, out comes the gumball. And it comes out really fast. And then you can have your coin back. Here's the mechanism for it. So this is like another sliding one. So we'll put the retriever in, or whatever. So this is where you reload. You put your gumball right here. And this coin, we'll slide it. And then it will fall out and go down this ramp and then out the gumball hole. Then the quarter will go out from the retriever. See where my finger is? It's out there. So yeah, it's pretty small. Most of my machines, gumball machines, are like this. Like the size of what, like a 6x8 platform. But yeah, I'll show it again if you want. So I certainly like this machine also. And the thing I like about it is that it comes out fast. Something I don't see a lot. Sorry. Okay. Okay. You can see how fast it comes out. Wow, it came out fast. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching.